Okay, let's solve the question number 4. What would be the smallest natural number which when divided either by 20 or by 42 or by 76 leaves a remainder of 7 in each case? So they want to know what is the value if we divide it by 20, 42 or 76, it will the remainder will be 7, right? So this is a very straightforward question. First you have to find the LCM of 20, 42 and 76. So that will be the, if the LCM of this three number is x, right? So if you divide it, which will be the smallest, because LCM is the smallest natural number which is divided by all that values. So if you divide LCM with 20, 42 or 76, the remainder will be 0, right? And if you add 7 with that LCM, then we will get our required value, right? So this is the funda. So now we will so here we have found the LCM 20, 42 and 76, and you will get the LCM is this, and if you add 7 with that, you will get this. This LCM is can be divided with 76, 42 and 20, and this is the smallest number which is divided by all these three numbers. This is the definition of LCM, right? So if you divided it with either 20, either 42 or 76, you will get 0 as remainder, right? If you add 7 with it, you will get our required answer. So this is the answer for this question, that is 7987 is the required answer for this question. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, and if you want me to discuss about any other topic, please let me know. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you for watching.